Let's see how we take a Arduino INO file and install it. So let's say that I or somebody else sends you an INO file in your email, and it comes in as compressed file zip, and our options are to download it. I'm going to let it download into my download directory. Here's the name of it, and it's going to put it out there. I'll close this down and go out to my file folder, go to my download directory, find it here, and here is the zip file. If I click on it here, I can extract all of it, and it'll ask where to put it. For now, I'll just leave it in the download directory and put it out here, and it will name it the same thing. Alright, so let's take a look at the whole download directory. Here it is down here. And this time it's a regular folder, it's not zipped. If you look inside it, it has another folder by the same name, and then 3 folders. Here's INO files. So let's shrink that for the time being, and I'll shrink all of this. And we'll start up the Arduino IDE, and it will come up with the last program that you had played with. Which happens to be the same thing, but so let's just ignore this for the time being and use File and Open, and we'll go out and find that where we downloaded it and unzipped it. It was in the download directory, so click here, and mine came up this way. Here's the folder, and if I double click on that and this folder name, then find the do planter _v24.4.ino and click on that and open it. You'll open up a new Arduino IDE window with the program that we want, which happens to be just this one, current one. And then next thing is to select a board, so you have to hook the Arduino board that we're working with to the laptop or desktop or whatever. So let's go out and take a look at what we want to do there. So I have already opened this Arduino window up so I can show you the one that we're working with. So I'll start here with hardware, and I'll take classic family boards and go down until I find the Arduino Do. Click here. You don't need to do this, I'm showing you this so you can know where to hook the USB cord to this. So you want to disassemble your planter monitor control box until you can see this window here, and this right here is the plug-in that we need to hook to program. This one is very similar, same plug style, but this one is the programming port. So you need to plug your USB cable. It's a USB-A, normal one that hooks into a desktop or laptop, and the other end is a micro, not the newest one, but recent. It's kind of D-shaped. The newest one is strictly oval. So it's D-shaped and known as the USB-A to USB micro cord. Alright. So we'll go back to here to the Arduino IDE where we have the program. The next thing is to look on the board that was attached to the Arduino Do and look at the date it was created. And I have listed here all of the boards that I have used and created, and all of them will work with this program. So now you'll notice that these double hash marks mean it's commented out, and only one line here is not commented out. So we'll draw this over on line 19, and so right now it's set up to be used with the circuit board labeled PCB1-16 row for January 28th, 2023. Oh boy. Alright, so the next thing to do is go up here and change the number of rows that you need to and replace the 16. So let's say it's 8. And that's fine. Then I'm going to scroll up a little bit, and this line, as long as you're at 16 rows or less, this line is fine. If you have more than 16 rows, these zeros need to be changed to ones. And that's it. So with the Arduino Do hooked to this program, you would need to select the Arduino, and it would show up here as a hooked to it and a port, and then you could press this key to load the program. So if you have any questions about that, look it over again, or get hold of me.